So I missed the train on the first generation Galaxy earbuds. I did, however, catch the train this time around for this one, the Galaxy Earbuds Plus, and here are my thoughts. Oh, by the way, if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It's a huge boost to the channel, and I truly appreciate your support. As we go through the quick unboxing here, the first thing to note is that the price actually went up on this version by about $20. The previous generation was selling for about $130, but this generation, the Earbuds Plus, will run you about $150 because of a few tweaks here and there. Now, as you can see, this is a very straightforward unboxing. So we had a very small box which houses the earbuds case, which apparently are actually smaller, or way smaller than the previous version. They do look pretty premium because of that glossy design and look there. The case is very sleek and portable, so it can literally fit anywhere. It is also the charging case and does charge the earbuds using USB Type-C cable, and we have one that comes in the box. It's also compatible with wireless charging or reverse wireless charging if you own a Samsung device. So as far as the earbuds go, we have the same form factor here, still an in-ear style earphone, which I think is pretty cool, and that's typically the style that I prefer, because that's the type that seals the sound and kind of isolates you from outside noise. Also, it fits pretty well. It fits similarly to the Galaxy, the regular or the previous generation earbuds. Also, just like the previous generation, we have each earbud labeled here, even in the case also. This top part of the earbud has that aura glow feel that Samsung is very well known for, where the color is reflecting the environment it is in, and with that you get shifting colors when you change environments. As far as the fit goes, we get different types, including in-ear tips that are interchangeable. So you can go with the actual buds, or the hooks, or whatever best fits your ear shapes. Now, for this generation, you have additional external mic to optimize sound pickup, and based on my testing, they actually have been very, very good. Also, this is still, or I should say it's only IP2 rated. So if you are wearing these, just be aware of your surrounding. If it's raining or if you're going to be messing with water, it's just better for you to just keep them away, because IP2 won't do that much protection. Bluetooth 5.0, of course, so connection is super fast and it remains steady. So these Galaxy Earbuds Plus function a little bit like AirPods in terms of connection. So when you open the case, it connects automatically. And let me add that it does so extremely fast and consistently every single time I have tried it. You can then manage your Earbuds Plus in the Samsung Management app. The layout is slightly different than that of the previous generation, but it's pretty much doing the same thing. The app is also available on iOS, so you can use your Apple devices to connect with the earbuds. You can obviously do a lot in the app. You can rearrange the touch pads, find your earbuds, regulate the equalizer, and so forth. You also get to mess around with the ambient sound and put it how you see fit, which gives you 3 different ambient sound levels to play with. And of course, you can turn on voice assistant and many other things. As I mentioned already, these are touch sensitive and they are highly responsive. So you would press to play, pause, or go on to the next song or previous song and so forth. You then have the ability to customize the type of touches that you want in the app itself. Also, I very much like how you can hear notifications while listening to music, so you can hear that in the earphones themselves. So if you're listening to some type of audio or something and you get a call or an email or a text or whatever, you're going to be able to tell based on the type of customization you have set up what's coming in, what type of notification is actually coming through. And again, they fit very well in my ear. You can actually use just one if you prefer, and when you take both out, the music actually stops or the audio stop, whatever you're listening to. The bass is pretty good on here, and actually it doesn't hit as crazy hard as you would imagine, but it seems to be just about right. It's just right in the middle there. Plus, if you need a little bit more than that, you can just kick it up a notch using the bass boost, which, now that I'm thinking about it, kind of reminds me of the good old Sony Discman. But anyways, the mids and the highs are very crisp, so the vocals are very, very clean. Battery life is just crazy amazing on here. 11 hours playtime according to Samsung. I haven't been able to kill it personally because my battery usage and charging habits have been just all over the place lately. But I know many people have reported very, very good usage as far as battery goes. And you get an additional 11 hours with the case, totaling up to 22 hours on a full charge. Also, Samsung, according to Samsung, 3 minutes of charging will get you about a whole hour of playtime. Another great thing about these earbuds is that they can be connected to multiple devices at the same time. And you can get to switch through any of them via Bluetooth without necessarily disconnecting from one or the other. Now, here's my take so far. I actually like these very, very much. That being said, if you already own a copy of the previous generation, I don't think you should upgrade to this just for the new little tweaks that were added here. Unless, of course, you really want that. Now, if you are just someone in the market looking at these specifically and you were kind of hesitant, I'd say go for it. They're really, really good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, of course. I'm going to catch you in the comment section, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video.